this is the slot for NVMe SSD hard disk, and all we need to do is, like, if we let me, yeah, this is my I just opened the PC, and this is my PC's motherboard, and this is the slot for NVMe SSD. And yeah, so you can just point out, yeah, this is the one. All you need to do is you need to take the card and put it in, slide it into 45 degrees and press it. Then you have a screw here. Just place the screw into proper place and just fix it. So, and that's it. Let me do that. Yeah, it will be something like this. Once you slide the card into the slot, so it just, like, it will be in an angle. All you need to do is you need to push this card to the screw, yeah, to push to the proper position and fix the screw here. So let me do that. I cannot do with the camera. Let me do that. Yeah, now I fixed the card and I fixed the screw. Now everything is set. So my restarted the system and everything is up and running. Again, so I did a few more steps. So maybe I'll make another video how to set up the NVMe card inside the boot in the BIOS, as well as how to select the boot means the boot order. And also you need to clone your existing SSD or HDD to NVMe. So I think that is another next step. So maybe I'm going to make another video on this. Yeah, thanks for watching.